Hi, it's Rob here from HBF to talk about our Liberty GT Stage 2 package. The car's already been on the hoist and had a BMC air filter fitted and an NVIDIA high flow dump pipe and cat. By fitting the BMC air filter, we're removing the factory restrictive paper style filter and putting in a high flow BMC filter. And that's going to improve the airflow into the engine and also give you a little bit more induction noise. The reason we fit the NVIDIA dump pipe and high flow cat is because the factory dump pipe and cat is quite restrictive. By fitting the NVIDIA dump pipe and cat, we're trying to improve the flow of the exhaust, improve turbo response and give you a little bit better note. So now that all that's fitted, Marty's going to run it up and custom dyno tune it to suit those components and give us a great result. So power at the flywheel goes from 195 kilowatts up to 225 kilowatts, and torque goes from 350 newton meters up to 435 newton meters. You're going to notice that. So another great result. If you want to know more about our Liberty GT packages or any of our Subaru packages, click the link below and head to our website, or give one of our guys a call in the office and I'm sure we can give you a hand.